Good morning, friends. This is Memo. I'm going to be making a chocolate pie. It's not for me, it's for my daughter. So I'm going to put this, it's just a regular pie crust, not deep dish. And I'm going to make an X here in the bottom so it don't bubble up. And then as it bakes, that will close off. Now I'm going to add 3 egg yolks. I have put the whites in my KitchenAid for the meringue. And 2 cups of milk. You can use whole milk, 2%, but I wouldn't use 1% because it's just got too much water in it. And 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can use flour or cornstarch. I'm using cornstarch today. A teaspoon of vanilla. And 2 tablespoons of margarine. This is going on the stove and cook till it thickens. I almost forgot the sugar. That wouldn't have been too good, would it? One cup of sugar. Now that the pie shell is out of the oven and the pie filling is ready, I'm going to do the meringue. I'm going to beat up the egg whites until they're stiff. Now that the egg whites is stiff, I mixed up 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of water, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. This is going to go in on the egg whites. They call it wheat no more egg whites. So we'll see. And now I'm going to pour the pie filling in the shell. And you know I've got to taste it. Good. Now I'll put the meringue on. I don't like it when a meringue, they call it crying. It's when the little beads of sugar comes up on it. I've tried everything to prevent that, and nothing has worked for me. So I saw this the other day about the cornstarch and cooking it and pouring in on it. So we'll see. Now this is going to go in the oven at 350 until it's good and brown. And here you have it, fresh out of the oven. It done up beautiful. And quote of the day: start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Y'all have a nice day, and thanks for watching.